Today I'm going to do this beautiful knitting pattern. It's called diagonal rib. You can see these diagonals in here, and for this pattern we need 4 multiples of stitches. Therefore I take 12 stitches, 4 multiples of 3, and I'm starting with row 1. First I've cast on 12 stitches, and first we need to do first row, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and then purl 1, purl 2. Take it off this here. Again we repeat, knit 2, purl 2, all the way down, knit 2, purl 2. This is very easy pattern. Knit 2, purl 2. This is our first row. We are going to do second row. It's repeat as first row. Second row we are going to do same thing, knit 2, purl 2. Knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Again knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Last 4 stitches we are going to do knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. And third row we are going to do first stitch we are going to do knit, and after that we are going to do our repeat section. Repeat section going to do purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2. Again we are doing purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, and last 3 stitches we are going to do purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, purl 2, and last stitch knit 1. Now I am going to do row 4. Row 4, first we are going to do purl. First stitch purl, and after that we are going to do repeat section. Repeat section we are going to do knit 2, purl 2. I'm going to knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Again knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Last 3 stitches we are going to do knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, knit 2. Last stitch we are going to do purl. Now I am going to do row 5. Row 5 is repeat as row 5. Row 5 we are going to do purl 2, knit 2. Starting purl 1, purl 2, and knit 1, knit 2. We repeating purl 2, knit 2. Again purl 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2. This is row 5. Now I'm going to row 6. Row 6 also we are going to repeat row 5. It's purl 2, knit 2. I'm starting purl 2, purl 2, knit 2, 1 knit, 2 knit. Again purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2. Now we are going to do row 7. Row 7 is similar is row 4. Row 4 is we starting with purl 1 and knit 1, purl 2 is our repeat section. This is purl 1 and I'm starting repeat section. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Again our repeat section. Knit 2, purl 2, 1 purl, 2 purl, and last 3 stitches we are going to do 2 knits and 1 purl, 2 knits and 1 purl. Now I am in our last row. Last row is row 8. Row 8 I am going to do I am following row 3. Row 3 is first stitch is knit, and after that we are going to follow our repeat section. Repeat section we are going to do 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purls and 2 knits, 1 knit, 2 knits and 2 purls, 1 purl, 2 purl and 2 knits. And last 3 stitches we are going to do 2 purls, 1, 2, and last stitch is knit. And you can see our ridges now. This is the right side. You can see these ridges and like this. When we finish our pattern is look like this. You can see this is little ridges is appear. And I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. And see you again with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.